Welcome to Best Prompt Generator for AI.com, your all-in-one destination for creating smarter AI prompts in seconds. Visit bestpromptgeneratorfor.com, explore our growing collection of prompt tools, templates, and guides, and start generating smarter prompts today. Are you an HR professional looking to save time and make your daily tasks more efficient with AI? In this video, I'll show you how to generate professional ChatGPT prompts for HR professionals using the Best Prompt Generator for AI. Whether you're an HR manager, recruiter, talent acquisition specialist, business owner, or hiring manager, the right AI prompts can help you automate repetitive tasks and improve productivity. Let's see it in action. We'll use the live Best Prompt Generator for AI.com website to create a professional HR prompt step by step. First, visit bestpromptgeneratorfor.ai.com. Next, open the ChatGPT Prompts for HR Professionals page. After filling in the details, simply click the Generate Prompt button. Paste it in chat and see within seconds, you'll receive a detailed professional AI prompt that works with ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and other AI assistants. Ready to simplify your HR workflow? Visit our website Best Prompt Generator for AI and find ChatGPT prompts for HR professionals. And start generating professional HR prompts today. Explore hundreds of free AI prompt templates for recruitment, business, marketing, education, finance, legal, coding, productivity, startups, and much more at bestpromptgeneratorfor.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tools, productivity tips, and educational content. Thanks for watching.